In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive links for photos and folders, a process that will allow you to share your files easily with anyone. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Drive. Open your web browser and type in drive.google.com, then sign in to your account if you aren't already. After logging in, your Drive will display, showing all your uploaded files and folders. It's important to know where your files are, so take a moment to locate the photo or folder you want to share. Once you've found the file or folder, look for the three vertical dots, commonly known as the options menu, next to the item you want to share. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, choose the share option. This action will open up the sharing settings where we'll configure how the link can be accessed. Now you will see a section titled Get Link. This is an essential part of this process. Here, you'll notice a setting usually defaulted to restricted. You'll want to change this. Click on it and select anyone with the link. By doing this, you're allowing anyone with this link to access your file. Make sure you're comfortable with this level of access before proceeding. Once you've made this change, go ahead and click on the copy link option. This copy command saves the link to your clipboard so you can easily paste it anywhere, like in an email or a messaging app. Now let's shift gears towards sharing specific images inside a folder. Navigate to the folder that contains the image you want to share. Click to open it, and you'll be able to see all the photos stored there. Select the photo you wish to share by clicking on it, bringing up a preview along with some options. Next, look for the Share button, usually represented by an icon of a person and a plus sign, or sometimes simply labeled Share. By clicking it, you re-enter the familiar sharing settings. It's the same process as we did earlier with folders. Change the link setting from restricted to anyone with the link. Remember, this means any recipient of the link can now view the file. Again, click on Copy Link to save this URL to your clipboard. You're almost done. With the link copied, you can now paste and share it with others as you see fit. The final step here is to click Done so that you can exit the sharing settings with everything saved correctly. By mastering this process, you become adept at sharing your content from Google Drive efficiently and securely. Whether it's family photos or collaborative documents, knowing how to generate links is an essential skill for both personal and professional file management.